So what to do when you have so many loaves of bread? Is it that's too much for my liking? Too many loaves of bread. So what I'm going to do now? I'm just going to make a French toast. First the eggs, and it should be on a flat surface. And then our next ingredients are onions, sliced finely sliced tomatoes, peppers, and sliced bread. As you see, I have brown bread and white, So first, I'll put the onions, and then the tomatoes. It's okay. I'm using my hands. It's okay. I love food. And then some salt. Some salt to your taste, and then also curry powder, and then you beat them up with a fork, because you have to be very careful. It's a plate. We need a flat surface, something that is wide, maybe a bowl or a plate, but I find a plate really convenient for me. Isn't it that? Or you can use a bowl to mix up the ingredients, but then I prefer this. Meanwhile, our oil is heating up on medium heat. Wait for it to get hot. Then you give a thorough beating to the eggs. The curry is a little bit stubborn to mix into the egg mixture. But then we're almost there. You just have to be patient as you wait for the oil to heat up. Now taste a little bit. It's good. Yeah, make sure the tomatoes, the onions are finely sliced, and the green pepper. Because if you really give them those big slices, it doesn't taste good for me personally. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bread dips, like you see there. You don't soak it in. You don't soak in the bread. See, give it a nice a nice dip, but you don't soak it in. Those are what we call French toasts. That's what I call them personally. And then there are some people who like putting powdered sugar. I don't. So you wait for them. You wait for them to cook on one side. It's not so long, then you turn the first one. Like that. Like that. Then next, this one, you see. Then that one. You just leave them to cook like that. For a few minutes. You get them out of the oil. Then for those who like powdered sugar, I'll tell you when to add it. So I'll wait a little bit. The other side has to become really a little bit crunchy, like the first one here. Okay. That's golden brown. Golden brown. I put the, yeah, that's what we call golden brown. It's okay. The oil is getting a little bit so hot maybe. I'll put it on the side for some time. Then I'll go ahead and dip my other like that. Yay! I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. You like that? So our finished pieces are here. Maybe there it's a little bit clearer. Those are our finished slices. French sliced. French toast slices. So, yay! Yeah. So that's how they look like. Then I'll bake some. I'm going to make some more. Bye bye. Like it, subscribe. Bye.